What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle and then release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the signal issue will be fixed. But if you are facing the signal issue after restarting, then swipe down to open quick settings panel. Now from here, turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, it will refresh the signal settings and then the signal issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you're still facing the issue, then take out the SIM card from your phone, clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card, put it back in your phone. And after that, the signals issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings, tap on about phone and then scroll down and here tap on factory reset. Now here tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, but it will also delete everything from your phone, including photos, videos, apps, contacts. Everything will be deleted. And after doing this, the signals issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no signal issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.